The following is a message from the Higher Self Collective for Humanity transmitted to Oribel Joy Divine. As with channeled messages, please take only what resonates with you and leave the rest. Please enjoy.
We see humanity as a whole, and we are delighted with the progress humanity is making. Many are contributing to the collective rise in frequency. Beginning July, the universal energies are intensified. Many of you have given intent for energies of creation to enter your lives so you may fulfill your divine plan. You asked and you received, and will continue to receive. Use these energies well and in service to humanity and the planet. We know who have been asking and who have not. To those who have not, we ask that you look to the ones who are living on purpose. Learn from them and look within yourselves. We remind you that the kingdom of heaven lies within each one of you. The wisdom you are seeking, the help you are waiting for has always been within you. Forge a partnership with us, your own higher self. Together we will co-create the new reality that you have been dreaming of, but you have yet to take action. We ask that your first action be to take the hand of spirit and never let go. The shift to a higher consciousness begins with the partnership with your higher self. This is how all ascended masters begin their journey to higher and greater awareness. This is a sacred partnership that needs to be initiated by the human. Without this partnership, you are still asleep and your veil is still intact. Nothing changes, suffering and pain continue, and limiting beliefs are still at play. We ask that you eliminate the veil altogether. Only you can do that. Having the veil is your choice. It is a personal decision, and you have the choice to remove it. Give intent to remove it permanently and begin your ascension journey by being in partnership with your own higher self. This is the partnership that your soul have been dreaming of for you to begin. It is a 24/7 partnership, and using your intuition co-creation takes place. Partner with your higher self first, then we will create the synchronicities for your partnership with other humans. Receiving inner guidance is crucial at this stage, and partnership with your higher self balances your ego self. We leave you with this final reminder. As you reach out to us, we reach out to you. This is the union we have been waiting for. The unity between you and your higher self. This is the first unity for you to accomplish, and all else will fall into place. We bid you farewell for now. We love one. We love all.
End of transmission.